I love this session. This is a really good session.
How come?
Well, because it's about the really clever stuff computers can do. And it shows just how smart computer programmers really are. What?
Getting back to the program, we're going to show you how the artificial intelligence, the AI, Inside Toolbox can help you to improve your writing. The first place you'll often use this AI is in the Daily Writing Challenge.
Jade's right. And the AI we're about to show you is available on all the writing tools inside Toolbox, whatever style of writing you're doing.
So let's go inside another Daily Writing Challenge and show you how you can get some help. Once you've written a piece, or even if you're halfway through it, you can activate the fast feedback.
And immediately you get detailed feedback on your writing.
That's right. The AI on Toolbox has read your work and profiled you as a writer. It has already worked out the 20 things you're doing well as a writer.
And the 20 things you need work on. But Toolbox is not going to overwhelm you. It is going to teach you.
So on the screen, fast feedback tells you 2 things it knows will improve your writing quality faster than anything else.
So let's look at the fast feedback screen in detail.
The first thing you notice is feedback has given you 2 things you're doing well as a writer, and 2 things it knows that you need to improve.
That's helpful.
Toolbox goes much deeper than just the words you use. It is looking at how you write, and it is always teaching you how to write better.
The writing strength indicator in fast feedback is really useful. It's a combination of a whole range of writing measures, all on one simple dial. And it gives you an immediate snapshot of just how good your writing quality is. Fast feedback also identifies your top sentence style, the one you use most often, and the sentence style it knows would be useful to add to your skills as well.
At any stage, you can click on that image and go immediately deeper to learn about that sentence style.
There's some encouragement from Dr. Hunter, and underneath, a brilliant sentence graph, so you can see exactly the types of sentences you are writing in your piece.
To bring back your main screen, simply click on the feedback again, or click on the tools icon. Both will return you to the main area.
You can select feedback as many times as you want when you write, so have some fun, and let the AI teach you how to write even better.
And remember, you can access fast feedback from all the writing interfaces inside Writer's Toolbox.